Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make cashew chicken. Cue the music. Alright, welcome back. Thanks a lot for watching. Like I said, today we are going to be showing you how to make cashew chicken. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 3/4 cup of roasted cashews. We got a 1/4 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 bunch of scallions, 1 small can diced water chestnuts, drained, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and then we're going to use salt and pepper as we need to along the way. Let's drop down here and see how we're going to do our sauce. Alright, for our sauce we got a nice bowl here. We're going to add our hoisin, our water, our cornstarch, and our soy sauce. Now that weird strange noise you hear in the background is just the rice cooker bubbling away, making our rice for when we go to present this. But I'm going to go ahead and add our water, and then our cornstarch. And I want to whisk that up. Add our soy sauce, and then the hoisin sauce. Whisk that up. We're going to leave the whip in it because we're just going to set this in our mise and we're going to use it when we get to the point where we need to use it. Alright, let's head over to the stove and get ready to cook. Alright, here we go. We got our cashew chicken mise en place all ready there. We got our wok, we got our utensils, the chicken, all the ingredients that we're going to need with the sauce, everything else. Even got the annoying background noise with the rice cooking. So let me set up the camera shot on our wok and we will begin. Alright, I have the wok on a medium-high heat. I'm going to pour our oil in and let that get hot. I always throw in a test piece just to see. Alright, as you can see, we are starting to get some bubbles around that chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and add all the chicken in here. Kind of separate it out a little bit because I'm going to stir it up. But I want the wok to get some of the heat on it before we stir it into the oil. Go ahead and stir it up. Keep from clumping it up. I want everything to have a surface to cook on. So I'm just going to let it sit there like that. We'll stir it each time it needs to be stirred to get each side browned up. Alright, most of the chicken has got a little bit of color on it now. It's still not cooked all the way, but now is the time where we want to add our garlic right there. Now when I cut the scallions, I cut the white ends and a little bit up on the white ends because now I've got the bottom part of the tip and then I've got the nice tender part of the leaf right here. So I'm going to put the whites that we cut in there and it acts as like an onion. We'll take that, we'll stir that in there with the garlic. Throw our water chestnuts in there. Stir those in. Let this all cook for a little bit. We want our whites of the onions to cook a little bit, but we do not want the garlic to get too hot and too cooked because it loses its properties of the allicin in there, which is kind of healthy. So I want to leave that, but you want it to just start to become fragrant. And when that does become fragrant, we want to take our vinegar, we want to pour that in, and we just want that to evaporate in there. Alright, about 30 seconds on that vinegar. You just want to let that get into all the chicken and it just kind of evaporate and leave behind its essence. So now I have the chicken all done. Let's pour that sauce that we did over there into our mix. Stir that up. That's going to thicken up. Bring that all down into the middle of the pan. You can see that heat going on it. We want all that heat to concentrate on making sure that chicken gets cooked. I'm switching out the spoon now for a clean just going to keep stirring this up. Make sure that chicken is cooked all the way. Sanitize where my spoon was from the raw. We can put our spoon down there now. Let's keep cooking our chicken. I'm going to throw our cashews in there. Stir those up. Our green onions. This looks and smells incredible. Get a piece of the chicken. Oops. Make sure it's cooked. I grabbed a larger piece too. Grab the largest piece of chicken in there and find out if it's done enough. It is done, but I'm going to let this continue to just stay hot. And before we serve, I'm going to hit that with that sesame oil. It's kind of a finishing touch for that. Our rice is about done. So I'm going to turn this off. We're going to plate it up. We're going to take pictures of it. We're going to put some music next to it. Then we're going to come back and we're going to taste it. Try it out. Threw some sesame seeds and some red pepper flakes on here. Just give it a little heat, make it a little pretty for the picture. Got a little bit of the chicken and the cashew in there. Very good. Got that crunch of the cashew, the tenderness of that chicken. The flavor is outstanding. Got a little bit of the water chestnut in there too, with some crunch. Great flavor. Soy sauce, savoriness, hoisin sauce. Yeah, it's really good. Get a little bit of the rice in there. Alright, if you want simple, easy, takeout quality Chinese food, right here, Cashew Chicken, easy to make. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to go to my website, www.itsonlyfood.biz for the recipe. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon.